Hello class 10th. Class 10th, few numericals I have given you in the last class from the sound with the chapter which we have discussed in the Zoom class. Now I think you are having problems in some of the numericals, so let us discuss those numerical now, especially the question which you have requested me to do. It is question number 29. It is question number 29 on page number 165. It is question number 29 in on page number 165. Let me read the question for you all. In the question he says you A, B, C, D represent the test tubes. Okay, so these are the test tubes you are having. A, B, C, D. These are the test tubes. 4 test tubes you are having. Each of height 20 centimeter. That means height of each test tube is given to us. It is 20, 20, 20 and 20. The height is given to us 20 centimeter, and we have filled them with water up to the certain level. Okay, सबको किससे fill up किया है? We have fill up with them with the water up to certain level. So in this test tube we have filled the water up to 12 centimeter. In this test tube we have filled the water up to 14 centimeter. In this test tube we have filled the water up to 16 centimeter. In this test tube we have filled the water up to 18 centimeter. So now what we are doing, we are bringing the tuning fork at the mouth of test tube D, and we have noticed the sound automatically become loud. Sound क्या हो रहा है? We are getting a loud sound. हमें क्या आ रहा है? Loud sound we are getting, and we know कि loud sound कब आएगी? जब resonance create होगा. तो that means the resonance is created here. इस वाली टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्या हो रहा है? रेजोनेंस की कंडीशंस डेवलप हो रही हैं एंड द रेजोनेंस इज क्रिएटेड. कैसे क्रिएट हुआ रेजोनेंस? रेजोनेंस इज क्रिएटेड द लेंथ ऑफ द ईयर कॉलम. ईयर कॉलम कितना है इसमें? 2 सेंटीमीटर. इस 2 सेंटीमीटर का जो ईयर कॉलम है इट मैचेस विद द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ दिस वाटर. दोनों की दोनों फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच कर गई एंड वी आर गेटिंग द लाउड साउंड फ्रॉम दिस टेस्ट ट्यूब. अब अगर मैं चारों टेस्ट ट्यूब्स को देखूं, let us find out the height of ear column in each test tube. So in this test tube the height of ear column is how much? It is 8. In this test tube the height of ear column is 6, and in this test tube the height of ear column is 4. Okay, and this so we have already calculated. Now let us see it is 8 and here it is how much? It is 2. Okay, 8 है, 2 है. So the height of water column is 12. The height of the water column is 12. So 12 upon 8 किया. So we are getting, so we can reduce it. So it will be 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12. So we are getting 1.5. Same is here. 14. It is 14 upon 6. So we have cut it off to 7 जा. So we are getting 7 upon 3. So here 16 upon 4, so we are getting how much? 4, and here 18 upon 2 we are getting how much? 9. Okay, so we have done it. देखो अब यहाँ पे in this case, in case number 1 it is 1.5. In case number 2 it is 7.3. In case number 4 it is, in case number C it is exactly 4. ओके, द होल नंबर वी आर गेटिंग. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? इस कंडीशन में क्या होगा? रेजोनेंस क्रिएट होगा. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? रेजोनेंस होगा. ओके, जैसे यहाँ पे रेजोनेंस हुआ है, ओके यहाँ पे भी क्या हुआ है? रेजोनेंस हुआ है. यहाँ पर भी वैसे रेजोनेंस होगा. बिकॉज क्या हो रहा है? वी आर गेटिंग द होल नंबर. दैट मीन्स जो ईयर कॉलम है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी वाटर कॉलम से मैच कर रही है. So that's why we are getting a whole number. But in दोनों केसेस में there is no resonance. यहाँ पे भी no resonance will take place. यहाँ पर भी कोई resonance नहीं होगा. यहाँ पर resonance होगा. यहाँ पर तो resonance automatically हो रहा है. It is given to us. Now let us see the things which he has asked. Describe the observations with the test tube A, B and C. So what is your observations? Okay, in test tube A no resonance occur. In test tube B no resonance occur. In test tube C the resonance occur, and in test tube D the resonance occur. Then he is asking us the reasons, give the reasons for your observations in each column. So in test tube A and B, the frequency of the air column do not matches with the frequency of water column, but in test tube C the frequency of air column matches with the frequency of water column, and same is here also. In D we know तो already उसने दिया है. He is asking us state the principle is related by the above experiment. यहाँ पे क्या है phenomena, जो भी phenomena occur हो रहा है, that is resonance will take place. So you have to give it is because of the resonance. So in this way you have to write down the answer. और कैलकुलेशन का मेथड सेम ऐसे ही होगा. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द आंसर. बुक में थोड़ा सा उसने बुकिश वे में दे दिया है, बट व्हेन वी डू in your notebook, when you will do in your notebook, so you have to do it in this way. Okay, so any other problems, I am very happy that Anshika has asked me the problem. So if you have any problem, please tell it to me. I will try to solve it. Okay, I will try to solve it. I simply upload the video, okay, related to your topic, whatever is the difficulties you are facing, so please tell me. Okay, so thank you very much.